How to make $10,000 within a few days micro flipping. First, find a wholesaler who has a great deal under contract with the seller. Second, get an exclusive option contract. Ask that wholesaler, can you have an option to purchase that property for about 10 days? It's all on a contract. Then you have permission to mark up that property for about $10,000 or however much you want to mark up that property for. Give it to a buyer. Find a buyer for that property. And once you have a buyer for that property, you go back to that wholesaler and ask them, hey, send me an assignment contract. Once you get that signed, that assignment contract signed, you then assign that contract to your buyer for your $10,000 fee. Then boom, you just made $10,000 within a few days, period.